Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you stuck because you can't delete or change your signature in Adobe Acrobat? The delete X is grayed out and nothing works. Don't worry, this quick fix will solve it in seconds. This issue usually happens in the fill and sign tools where Adobe doesn't let you remove your old signature, so you are stuck and cannot create a new one. Here is the quick solution that actually works. First, open Adobe Acrobat. Now go to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, click on Sign Out. Make sure you are completely signed out of your account. Now close the Adobe Acrobat application completely. Don't skip this step. It's important. Reopen Adobe Acrobat again. You will now see the sign in option at the top right corner. Click on Sign In and log back into your account. Now open your document again and go to Fill and Sign or go to e-sign. You should now be able to delete the old signature and create a new one without any issue. That's it. Problem solved. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick fixes. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.